HVAC Delta T readings can totally trick you into thinking there's a low refrigerant problem when it's actually dirty coils or filters messing things up. So here's the thing. Delta T is just the difference between the air temperature going into your system and the air coming out. When your HVAC system has dirty coils or clogged filters, it restricts airflow, which throws off that temperature difference. If the air can't flow right, the Delta T might look too high or too low, making you think the refrigerant level is off when it really isn't. To avoid wasting time and money on needless refrigerant adjustments, always check your coils and filters first. Clean or replace those filters regularly and get those coils cleaned at least once a year. Also, make sure your blower fan is running properly, because weak airflow can cause Delta T to mislead you. Just remember, a visual inspection is key before jumping to conclusions about refrigerant issues. One of the biggest mistakes with HVAC Delta T readings is assuming a low Delta T always means low refrigerant, when it could just be dirty coils blocking airflow. Fix it by cleaning the coils and checking the filter first. Another common slip-up is ignoring a high Delta T that might actually be due to a clogged air filter causing poor airflow. Swapping out that filter usually sorts it out. Lastly, skipping regular maintenance makes these problems sneak up on you. Setting up a routine to inspect and clean your HVAC components keeps your system balanced and your Delta T readings reliable. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trustworthy local contractors who really know their stuff. It also helps contractors connect with people looking for quality work, so everyone wins when it comes to home projects and HVAC maintenance.